it's me, Shannon, from Fun with Shannon, and today we are here with my American Girl doll, Joss. And, Joss is going to be babysitting Muffin, Cleo, Gizmo, and Mangerine. And guys, so I made a daycare, and Joss can sit there. There's a little thing that they can watch TV on. There's some beds and rugs. Okay, so you guys, it's almost Christmas. Well, it's the day after Thanksgiving, but we're decorating for Christmas. And so we have 3 mini Christmas trees, and I got one. So they have a little Christmas tree. Well, Joss, come on in and we'll discuss everything. Oh wow, Joss brought a lot. Joss brought a whole backpack of stuff. See, guys? So, Joss, you're going to be taking care of 4 kids. Have you ever done that? No, but I've babysat a lot, so I think I'm qualified. Okay, so you can just set your stuff down there and sit right there. Okay guys, I'm Joss, and I'm gonna be taking care of you for today. Where's Mommy? Yeah, where's my mom going? We wanna know. We have to know. What? Mommy is gonna go to work, so I'm gonna be in charge today. Yeah, kids, bye. I'm gonna go to work now. Bye, Mommy. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so you guys can just play for a little bit. Come on, Cleo, let's play with Teddy over here. Okay. Got it. Dang it! Okay, kids, so I can tell you guys are getting a little bored, so let's watch a movie. And unpause. Movie. It was a dark and stormy night. No one in the house seemed to know what was going on. But then a werewolf came and they all got eaten in the end. Okay guys, that was a Halloween movie. So, how about you kids play for a little bit and then we'll watch a movie? Or do you want to hear a story? We want to hear a story. Okay, I have a storybook just in my backpack. Let me get it. And it is called Zion is an Adventure. So, let's open it up to page 1. You seek adventure because you know adventure is how to find where you truly belong. You were born to explore. And you live the story you want to tell. You would rather look back at your life saying, I can't believe I did that, than say, I wish I had. You capture moments, not things, and live for moments you can't put into words. Today's captured moments remain with you forever. You fill your life with experiences and have stories to tell. You have that great strong urge that pulls you towards your dreams of experiencing something remarkable. You know everything is better outdoors. The journey is so much more than the destination, and the best view always comes after the hardest climb. You live your own different and vivid life. You know that thinking outside requires no box. When life knocks you down, you roll over and look at the stars. Zion is a part of your heart, and you are a keeper of this century. You discover things you never knew you were looking for, and always take the time to enjoy the view. You don't look back because you are not going that way. The sound of silence is the music of your soul. You know great things take time. You leave nothing but footprints, take nothing but photos, and lose nothing but time. You are an awareness that today will become a great memory for tomorrow. You go where the Wi-Fi is weak because there is no app for this. This is all you need. You care about this place, and protecting it fills your soul. You are already planning your next adventure. Okay, guys, that was Zion is an adventure, dream, discover, explore. Guys, if you've ever been to Zion, comment down below and tell me how it was. So now, let's see what Joss says. Okay, guys, it seems like it's time for bed, so one of you can go here, two of you there, and one of you there. Or it could be like 1, 1, 2, or basically like any pattern. Leo, let's sleep over here. No, I want it. Fine, Gizmo, you can have it. Let's sleep together in the bed, Muffin. Yeah. It's so warm. I guess I get this. Suckers. Okay, good night, you guys. See you in the morning. Night, night. Okay, guys, the stuffed animals are actually gonna take a nap. So, how about we, guys, how about we hang out? How about we, how about we play with American Girl dolls? Guys, I have the coolest spot to play with American Girl dolls. In my parents' room, we have this ladder. And if I go up, but it's really hard to climb the ladder with shoes on. Okay, so I kind of made a mess, but I have my American Girl doll, Megan, up here. Hi, Megan. Hello. Megan, how about you change and we could go roller skating? Okay. Okay, guys, Megan is gonna be right back because we're gonna change. And we're back, guys. We've got Megan ready here with her roller skates on. So, let's throw her down, then let's have us go down. Okay, guys. Okay, let's get Megan and guys, my house is really messy right now. So we're just gonna have her roller skate because I would. My house is messy. Okay. Okay, Megan, let's practice. So remember, keep your feet apart and push, push. Megan's never roller skated before, you guys. Okay, Megan, I'm gonna hold on to your shoulders and you're gonna skate, okay? Okay. Eee. Okay. Okay. Let's come back a little. Okay, guys. Megan is doing really good. Megan, let's see if you can do a trick on your skates. I think I can. Okay, guys. So now, Megan, keep your shirt tucked down. Okay, Megan, now let's see if you can do balance. Please, that's easy. Wow, guys, Megan is a pro. So I'm gonna hold your chest and your leg to make sure you're in perfect balance. So this leg has to be straight down. Oh, it's the wrong way. So you're gonna be facing down and your leg has to go up. Remember, keep your arms out. So I'm gonna hold your leg. Keep your arms out. I'm gonna hold your chest and your leg. And ready? Go. This is so cool. You can let go. Okay, I'm gonna hold your leg, but that's all. Maybe I'll just hold your chest. That seems better. Wow, guys, Megan really is a pro. Guys, watch me get up. Ta-da! Megan, pull up your pants. We've been through this. Guys, I was actually kidding. Megan has roller skated with me before, so she's been getting really good at it. Okay. Okay, Megan, you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. So, now you guys, Megan is gonna do a really hard trick. Wow, Megan, you're pro. Really? Yeah, really? You sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay, guys, so Megan's done roller skating. Okay, guys, next we're gonna do fidgets. Big box of fidgets, right? And let's take these into the living room and play. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do it right here. So let's open up the bin. Okay, so I'm gonna make this into a game, and I'm gonna close my eyes and choose a fidget. Okay, I got a glow-in-the-dark Baby Yoda that has glitter. So guys, the rule is I have to pop it 2 times, one on this side and one on the other. So let's begin. So Baby Yoda is glow-in-the-dark. He is green and he is super sparkly and glittery. So that's done. Now I'm gonna close my eyes and choose. Okay, I got one of the big ones. I got a rainbow keyboard. This keyboard actually looks like a real keyboard, you guys. Like super real. Like a everything where it should be for a real computer. And it has pink, purple, blue, green, and a yellowish color. Let's see. So there's, I don't think I got all the colors. So there's a purple, there's a blue, there's a pink, there's a dark green, and there's like a greenish yellowish. And done. So next fidget. Okay, I got one of my favorites. It's a popsicle. It has numbers up to 6 and letters to Z, and it has the colors yellow, pink, blue, and like a tan. So and I got 2 tubes. So guys, for the tubes, I have to pull them out and put them back in. So I got a blue tube, I got a cool blue tube, and a purple tube. Okay, we finished the 2 tubes, so guys, this one is a rare, and it's a black cat for Halloween, and it only has the colors yellow and black. And I don't really know why it's rare, because it's really small. It's probably because of the eyes. So next one. Okay, we got a little pink tube that can actually like stretch, not just be pulled, because look. That's super cool, you guys. This one is actually smaller. See? Okay, let's get another. Okay, I got a bouncy ball. I don't really have rules for the bouncy ball, I just kind of play around. Okay, next. A unicorn fidget. So, this unicorn fidget has a lot of colors. It has baby pink, hot pink, yellow, teal, blue, and purple. Well, it's not much of a hot pink, it's like because hot pink is bright. Okay, so let's get on to our next fidget. Okay, I got a fidget cube, and I love my fidget cube because it's rainbow and tie-dye. So, I'm steering a little steering wheel. Okay, next fidget. We got the matching heart, and this doesn't count, you guys, because I'm popping them all to the right side. Okay, so it's basically like the unicorn we did. It has baby pink, like that bright hot pink kind of, yellow, like a teal greenish color, blue, and more purple. So let's get another fidget. I got one of my favorites, the Galaxy. Forgot what they're called. Okay, next fidget. Oh wow, you guys, we got a tie-dye Xbox controller. So guys, this one has letters also up to 6, and numbers up to 6, not letters. And it also has letters up to Z. And it's blue, black, and white. Next fidget. We got I don't know what these are called. I know they're just like related to infinity cubes. But you guys, if you know what these things are called, comment down below what the name is, because I honestly have no idea. Okay, that's done. So next step will be okay, we got a switch or a controller, so we'll do the switch next after the controller. So this is kind of like a different one, a different keyboard, because like it has like a pea yellow color, it has a brown, it has like a really like bright pink, like almost orange, and it has like a really strange color of teal, and then it has a blue, and the back actually sounds really good, but it's shaped in a really strange way on the back. Okay, now let's do the switch. So guys, actually comment down below if you have a switch. So I have a switch light, and the color of the switch we're doing is rainbow, and I think it's upside down. So it has red, orange, yellow, like a greenish, bluish, like a teal almost color, and a blue color. So red, so basically a rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Done. Okay guys, on to the next fidget. The box is getting pretty empty, so let's see. A butterfly. So we got a butterfly, and the butterfly is also like a rainbow. It has red, orange, yellow, and like that teal color again, blue and purple, and the back is perfect, and it's super cool, and I just love butterflies. So on to the next one. We got a star, and the star doesn't have any numbers, but it does have letters up to Z, and it's kind of like a rainbow, but not really. It has like orange, yellow, blue, purple, and teal. So on to the next one. I got a mini monkey noodle. Okay, guys, on to the next. We got a pineapple. And on the poppets for the pineapple, it just has a ton of pineapples. And the colors are orange, yellow, blue, teal, dark blue, and purple. We got a calculator. Actually, it looks really realistic. So, the calculator has numbers and words and symbols. And the colors are pink, purple, pink, green, and yellow. So on to the next one. A Christmas tree for Christmas. So the Christmas tree is really big. It has nothing on the poppets thing. And the colors are.
Do you know what kind of cheese this is?
And the colors are yellow, green, white, and brown. And guys, it literally even has a star on it.
I think it was one we just used.
So see?
Yeah.
Has a star.
Yeah.
Okay, the fidget box is like almost empty, so we got another mini monkey noodle, but instead of blue, this one is yellow. Silly monkey noodle. Okay. I got one of these cool unicorn bracelets, and it has a hole. That's why I said bracelets, because you can like stick the head through the hole and like wear it as a bracelet, or you can take it off and stretch it. So let me get another one. We got a
So this is good.
fidget spinner. Let's see how long I can last this. It's slowing down, like you can tell because you can see the colors more. Like it's slowing down a lot, but it's still going so fast. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop it in 3, 2, 1. So it also has poppets at the end of it. So the colors are green, red, pink, and blue. Whee! Okay, on to the next. We got a jumbo monkey noodle, and it's hot pink. Whee! Oopsies. Alright, on to the next thing. We are down to 5. We got the fidget controller, so okay. I'm just gonna choose something. I choose this. It's a tie-dye fidget spinner. Alright, I'm gonna stop it in 3, 2, 1. So it also has poppets at the end, and the colors are purple, pink, blue, orange, and yellow. Whee!
The rest of this big roll,
I'm gonna choose this pop print, and
or I could put it out with the goat cheese.
for really quick.
Just gonna pull it out.
Just pop it all. Done. So we're gonna do an octopus.
For her to sample.
Pop the ends and pop the octopus. Pop it and pop the octopus. And the last item, another mini monkey noodle. Okay, just really quick, put all the fidgets back in the bin. Super quick. So that's all we have time for today. So see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell to see more videos. So see you guys in the next video. Bye!